All right, welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have some butter bourbon pork chops. Let's make the spice mix first. You're going to start with 2 tablespoons of paprika, 2 tablespoons of kosher salt, a tablespoon of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of mustard powder, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, and a half a teaspoon of cayenne. You're also going to want to coat the pork chops in a bit of olive oil, just so the spice mix adheres a little better. And then you just want to give this a stir around, make everything is mixed together, and season the pork chops with as much or as little as you like. All right, step 1 is done. All right, step 1 is done, and you can see I've got the pork chops frying in some olive oil with that lovely seasoning mix on top. And you just want to go, till they're damn near done or done. All right, as you can see, the pork chops are cooking. I just wanted to talk about something that I screwed up. I don't know if I had the heat on a little too high or what, but the bottom of this did start to burn pretty bad, and that's why I couldn't make the sauce in the pan that I cooked the pork chops. Again, caramelized brown fond is great. Black burnt shit tastes like shit. Okay. Yeah, got the new pan on, got the pork chops out. And we're going to start with a half a stick of butter melting over medium-low heat. Again, you don't want the heat too high, and you cannot leave this because the ingredients that are going to be coming in, well, they can burn real fucking easy. And add a cup of brown sugar and a half a cup of whiskey and stir that around. All right, you can see the caramel is starting to come together. Again, this does not take long. Just keep stirring it around. And you can see it's starting to bubble up rapidly. Time to add the pork chops back in. And you just want to baste for a couple minutes. And through the magic of cooking show editing, it's done, it's basted, time to slice our chop. And I like to slice things down on an angle. That's just me. And as you can see, beautiful. So, that's a butter bourbon pork chop. Done.